In this video, you'll learn how to inspect storm data and generate lead lists using the inspector tool in the HailTrace mobile app. This tool will allow you to gain valuable knowledge about a storm all from your phone. First, you'll need a storm event loaded before using the inspector tool. You can download a weather event either with the calendar feature or the search button. If you need help finding a storm, check out the video in the description. After you have downloaded a weather event, tap the circular inspector tool button on the right side of your map screen. This activates inspection mode. From there, tap anywhere on the map to view storm details. Move the map as needed to adjust the target marker to your area of interest. The inspector tool will automatically display real-time data, including estimated hail size, wind speed, the date of the event, and the number of impacted properties. If you have the data plan, you can pull lead lists with the inspector tool. This list gives you access to property owners' contact info that can then be used to generate leads, such as with cold calling, mailers, or Facebook ads. Once you have a storm downloaded, tap inside the storm over the area where you want to pull a lead list. Next, tap Lead List to open the lead generation menu. There will be different options to choose from based on the hail size and affected locations. Next, click on the download icon you are wanting to receive leads for. Here, you'll see three options: residential leads, commercial leads, and assets. After selecting your lead type, tap Request. The system will process your request and notify you via email and app notifications once the lead list is ready to view or download. You can also download that lead list under the notification page. If you'd like to explore all the ways to generate leads or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or contact our support team.